Part A, Antonyms and synonyms of a word. Apart, ilawa ya dur. The siblings live miles apart. Together, akati ya sath. They enjoy spending time together. Argue, बहस करना या झगड़ना. They often argue about small issues. Agree, इत्तेफाक करना या इत्तेफाक. We all agreed on the best plan. Arrest means गिरफ्तार करना या पकड़ना. Free, आज़ाद करना. The police arrested the suspect yesterday. Free, the innocent man was freed after the trial. Arrival, Ravangi. Her arrival at the airport was delayed. Departure, Ravangi. The departure of the flight was on time. Autumn, Khiza. Spring, Bahar. Autumn leaves are beautiful. Spring, flowers bloom during spring. Awake, Jagna. She was awake all night studying. Asleep, Sona. The baby is peacefully asleep. Annoy, परेशान करना. The loud noise annoyed the neighbors. Satisfy, मुतमईन करना. The delicious food satisfied everyone. Answer, जवाब. Question, सवाल. She answered all the interview questions. He asked a question about the meeting. Alive, zinda. The fish was still alive when we saw it. Dead, murda. The tree looked dead during the winter. Allow, ijazat dena. The teacher allows us to use calculators. Forbid, mana karna. Smoking is forbidden in public places. All, sab. All, sab. None, koi nahi. All the students passed the exam. None of the answers were correct. None means koi nahi. Already, पहले से या पहले ही. Not yet, अभी तक नहीं. Already, I have already finished my homework. Not yet, the package has not yet arrived. Ascent, चढ़ाई. The plane made a smooth ascent. Descent, उतराई. The descent from the mountain was steep. Amuse, खुश करना. Bore, बोर करना यानी तंग होना. The clown amused the kids at the party. The speech bored everyone in the hall. Ancestor, above ajdad. My ancestors were farmers. Descendant का मानी है अवलाद. She is a descendant of a famous king. Awful, बुरा. Nice, अच्छा. The food tasted awful. Nice. She gave me a nice gift for my birthday. Attack, हमला करना. The soldiers attack the enemy base. Defend, दिफा करना. They defended their country bravely. Angel, फरिश्ता. Devil, शैतान. She is as kind as an angel. Devil, he acted like a devil during the fight. Amateur, शौकिया. He plays football as an amateur. Professional, Peshawar. The chief is a professional in cooking. Animal, जानवर. Lions are wild animals found in Africa. Human, इंसान. Humans have built great cities and bridges. Ancient Qadim. The pyramids are ancient structures. Modern Jadid. The modern city is full of skyscrapers. तो पार्ट 2 के लिए हमें सब्सक्राइब करें। शुक्रिया।